welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna learn all the health benefits from cutting up these seasonings. This is thyme, and this is some rosemary. So basically, I'm cutting and prepping my seasonings. That's my pink Himalayan salt lamp. That's my alkaline water, and those are my red roses. I bought myself two. So here it is. I was just showing you. So my baby girl has a little cough. Here goes some scallions, and we got red and green peppers, and we got some reishi mushrooms that I'm gonna cut up, and I'm gonna cut it with the knife and also with the scissors. So when I worked in group home, we did quarter cut or whatever, and we cut it up. So I worked there for like some years, a couple years or whatever. So I got used to it. It's easier, much easier, especially when I worked in the kitchen a whole year doing my training. I cooked everything, so I'm like a professional at this. So I'm cutting up the thyme, and then I'm gonna start cutting up the peppers, but I'm just cutting it with the scissors right now to show you. So like some people, they're not good with chopping, so I'm gonna show you the difference. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the peppers, and then I'm gonna cut, and that's the scallions. So what I'm gonna do is cut it with the knife, and then I'm gonna cut these with the scissors, and I'm gonna show you the difference at the end, how it's looking. Okay, so you let me know which one you prefer best in the comments below. So the health benefits of scallions is 1 cup serving equals twice the daily recommended amount for adults of vitamin K, which helps your blood clot and keeps your bones strong. About 25% of your daily value of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. So that's the scallions that I'm cutting up. That's the health benefits. Now we're going to talk about, I think I'm going to do the green peppers. I think I'll do the red first. So here we go. Lego. And this is my storage bag that I'm going to put in the freezer with all my veggies. So here are 20 incredible health benefits of red and green bell peppers. All right. So number 1 is good for your eyes. It burns more calories. Anti-cancer benefits. Cardiovascular benefits. Supports the immune system. Great source of vitamin B, C, and magnesium. Cures iron deficiency. Benefits of Capsaicin, I don't know what that is. Detoxifying properties, I like that. Benefits of potassium, that's like also in bananas. Effective in curing gastrointestinal disorders. High silicone, supports hair and nails, stimulates hair growth, strengthens hair follicles, enhances hair growth and health, fights oxidative damage, turns skin healthy and youthful, heals shingles and athlete's foot. Ooh, that's good. Reverses signs of aging and clears skin blemishes and rashes. Oh my goodness. Try saying that 5 times fast. Check out the cutting skills though. You see me though. Anyway, here we go. Now, it is also anti-inflammatory. It prevents hypertension, regulates blood pressure, lower bad cholesterol, boosts immune system, cures anemia. Okay, I should have had this when I was anemic as a child. Good for heart health, anti-cancer, burn calories, and it's good for your eyes. Now, those benefits are all great, good, and dandy, but a lot of people don't even eat it. Like, if you eat it raw, I feel like these benefits go also if you eat raw foods, like people that have raw diets. A lot of people don't eat raw things or raw veggies, but you need to get up on your raw veggies. You feel me? Okay, check out that nice, pretty red pepper. So it's also another name for it. Let me tell you, it's called CAPSICUM. CAPSICUM. That's also the name for bell pepper. Yeah, in case you didn't know. Okay. So after this, I'm going to cut up some reishi mushrooms. So I love mushrooms. I started eating it after I gave birth because it's good for your body. So it says that reishi mushroom has been used to help enhance the immune system, reduce stress, improve sleep, and lessen fatigue. People also take reishi mushroom for health conditions such as high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Okay. So even if you don't have mushrooms and you just have the bell peppers, basically, I mean, it's going to help with your high blood pressure. Mostly found in like African American people or whatever, but that's what they say. But I mean, anybody that eats a lot of salt can have high blood pressure. So let's be clear about that. Now, I'm chopping this up. I'm going to show you how the difference looks. Look at it. So I don't keep that. So I'm going to blend this and I'm going to have some orders for the like local orders. So if you go on my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, if you love cooking, everything cooking and holistic. I put some holistic herbs also. I have my fire cider I just added because it's been fermented for 5 months. Remember I did the video in January, so now it's ready to basically, be digested, be ingested. So anywho, and garlic honey. So it's some holistic products for your health on mine. But if you see it short, so these are the reishi mushrooms. If you see it, because I have local orders, like I deliver to people that know me close, they don't order online. So I'm gonna blend this up, cut this up, make in some sofrito, not the mushrooms. I'm eating that for lunch, but I'm basically gonna cut half of the peppers, some of the peppers, whatever have you, and put it with the thyme and that rosemary. Okay, I'm gonna put it up in there, finagle it up, doop, and I'm gonna get it prepared. I'm gonna freeze it because I freeze all my products. So all my products are made fresh by order. So if you order it, you're not gonna get no order that's stale, that's been sitting there. I make it fresh, okay, and it's made with love. Hello, obviously, with a bunch of roses and sunflowers everywhere. So after I cut these up, I'm basically gonna steam it. I'm gonna put it in some salmon and not put teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna just put the Caribbean green seasoning. This is a guava. Ooh, so I'm gonna have that for lunch with my mushrooms. It's guava. I thought you could see the label, but you can't. But it's little tiny guavas. We have it in Guyana, but I love it. And it's also that fruit that you see in the back. I don't know what it's called, but I thought it was like a dragon fruit, but it's not. Because when I cut it open, it's basically like it looks like a cucumber inside. It's a melon, like some kind of melon, but it tastes horrible. So I'm not even gonna front. So if you get it, just be prepared. It's sour. It's like a pickle inside. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cut it. But look how pretty these peppers are. They're so pretty. So I'm always cutting stuff up. And I never think to record. Isn't that crazy? So now you're going to see a lot of me cutting up stuff because I have a lot of orders and I have to, supply and demand. But I love chopping it with my kitchen scissors. And do you see my 7 chakra in the back? Basically, it's like a banner, but it's like a curtain, but it's not. So it would be considered like a wrap, I guess. I don't know, like a throw. Yeah, that's what they call it. But it's beautiful. So I'm just chopping this up. So what do y'all like to cook? Let me know in the comments what y'all been doing, what y'all been cooking. Have you been watching my videos? Okay, baby girl has like a little cough and she's right next to me. I'm sorry about that. So basically, I'm just here with her, So that's why. So please excuse my little princess coughing. But she's sleeping. So it's time for a nap. Now, what was I saying? So yeah. What do y'all like cooking? What do y'all like putting in your seasonings? What kind of seasonings do you use? Do you use that green seasoning from the store that's salty? Do you like sour stuff? Like, what do you like? You like spicy stuff? I know a lot of people like pepper. I don't eat pepper. I like Frank's hot sauce, but that's about it. I don't like crispy stuff. I don't like fried things. I don't like a lot of stuff. But we're not talking about me. So let's talk about you. What have y'all been doing? Have y'all been drinking more water, more alkaline water? I hope. Hello, alkaline water is the way to go. Okay, let's be clear. It's clean. Oh, look at these scissors. Okay, look at my little helper. She was trying to grab the peppers. So she usually helps me when I'm blending it all up. I let her throw it in because, it is Nova's kitchen. So she the CEO. Okay? So when you order, she's the boss. I'm just the helper. I'm the general manager, the vice president. Until she gets old enough to take over. But you got to start them young with that generational wealth, right? Okay. Now, let's see. I'm waiting to see the finishing product because it's just, and it smells so good. Like, I love it. I've been basically cutting up seasoning because I used to cut it up in the kitchen when I was little, since I was like 10. So that's how many years. So can you imagine all these years later? Now I'm 40. Please. Like, I'm actually like cutting up seasoning online. Who would have thought? Who would have thought like I'd be famous off of like seasoning on YouTube? That's funny. So here go this fabulous fruit. I don't know what it's called. It's called like some kind of melon. I'm gonna put it in the description, but I'm put on the screen. But I cut it, and let me tell you, it's not dragon fruit. I tried to open it. It was so hard. You see the stuff coming out? I was like, what is this? It started oozing out like seeds. Like, it's a bunch of seeds. It basically, yeah, look at it. Oh my gosh, I can't. It was like a pickle. Like, what is that? I tasted it. Okay. Yeah, that's a no. Ooh, let's move that. Okay. To the garbage. So I'm just basically preparing it now to show you like how it looks. But I want to thank y'all for all your likes and comments and subscribes. Oh my goodness, I appreciate you so much. All right. And thanks for watching. And in my description, you'll see everything. My email if you want to email me, if you want to donate to my channel, and if the link to my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, is one word, is going to be in the description box. And I'm sending y'all always some light and fabulous sunflower love. And don't forget to be the reason someone smiles today. Okay? Look at this gorgeous setup. Red peppers, green peppers, thyme, rosemary, scallions, red pepper. But now that's cut. Now this is the chopped with the scissors. The green peppers, the bell peppers. See the difference? Look how pretty it looks. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I see y'all in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.